A very good morning to everyone. We the students of class LKGE are going to present before you an assembly on National Pollution Control Day 2nd December. Play purifies our mind and soul. Start your day with a positive attitude and smile to the world. Let's begin our day with a prayer.
Loving God, we sing your praise for having brought us together this beautiful morning. Inspire our hearts with hope, love, and gratitude. Let our imagination bloom with fragrance and our hearts with wisdom. Guide our thoughts, words, and actions to be obedient, respectful, and help us to be diligent in our studies. Bless our school, our teachers, our parents.
Do not fear, for all I am with you. Do not dismay, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Now I am going to present reading from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, lesson 6, verse 5. Hey Arjun, your mind is your greatest friend and your mind is your greatest enemy. Your own mind uplifts you and your own mind puts you down. There is no other enemy outside. When you have the control over your mind, ingrained it well, that mind becomes very good friend of yours, and the mind you lost control over it, it behaves as an enemy towards you. Reading for Holy Quran, so do not weaken and do not weave, and you will be superior if you are the believers. Reading from Guru Granth Sahib Ji. The body is the field of God. This is it. Whatever we plant, you shall harvest. Thank you.
country due to different types of pollution. Natural resources such as water, air, land, or forests are being affected speedily. Thank you, ma'am.
I am here to tell you about how to control and reduce the pollution and reduce to control and reduce the pollution to control and reduce the pollution. Several laws have been passed and rules have been made. It also causes number of diseases like asthma, cholera and deafness, etc. We burn fuel excessively. We dump chemicals into our bodies. We play loud speakers. And all this together damage the world. Air pollution can cause harmful health effects. Eyes, nose, throat irritation, headache, allergic reaction are short-term health effects. Lung cancer, heart and respiratory diseases are long-term health effects. My topic is air pollution. Air pollution is caused due to the ingestion harmful gases, toxemia, allergy, asthma in the air. Oh my God, Mama! Starting everything. Not harmful gases. Please stop using the red light. For the earth, thank you.
भाग जगाने हैं आपको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं। अब कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है। अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है। स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी है, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी है।
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको।
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको नगर नगर,
बस्ती बस्ती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, जगमग जगमग सी ज्योत जागी रे।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम।
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है।
हर दिशा दिशा का मेरा जब से होना है।
स्वच्छता
Pollution, what is that? Let me tell you how. From the factory where things are made, this makes nature dirty. When we travel from cars and buses, lots of smoke comes out. Let me show you something more. See, people are cutting trees here. You know, trees breathe in dirty air and give out good air. Hey, you are smart child. This dirty air is called carbon dioxide and good air is called oxygen. So when trees are cut and jungle becomes smaller, there is nobody to clean the dirty air. Thank you. Dirty gray skies, tears in our eyes, plant a tree to get oxygen for free. Life is nothing without water up to 60% in human adult body. Water pollution caused due to dumping of industrial waste. I'm speaking on water pollution. Effect of water pollution can cause allergic skin reaction. Gluten imbalance may cause headache. It can lead to vomit, high blood pressure, and anemia. Chlorines in water may damage the bones, can hurt our kidney too. Bacteria can cause several diseases.
सोचो तो क्यों है आज सहम पानी ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों चलो बदल दे कहानी बचा ले निशानी हम पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी सोचो तो क्यों है आज सहम पानी ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों चलो बदल दे ये कहानी बचा ले निशानी चलो बचाने दरबार पुरानी ये तेरा मेरा पानी चलो बदल दे कहानी कहानी बचा ले निशानी मुझे
Don't be mean and keep water clean. Let's start revolution against water pollution.
Today I am making a plastic. Hello, plastic. Plastic is formless. That is everywhere. Every piece of plastic made or thrown away. It is still there's nothing that can break it down. Thank you. Hi friends, my name is Astha. My topic is पॉलीथीन। पॉलीथीन जी हाँ जनजात करो ना इसका इस्तेमाल, इससे काफी बड़ा प्रदूषण या करता तन्मन का। पॉलीथीन का पशु खाता कभी वहाँ पाता है। पॉलीथीन कभी ना सड़ता गलता, नाली नाला जाम है। घर में से कभी ना ला पॉलीथीन से जान बचा। थैंक यू।
कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे अगर सुन लो ये फट जाएगा, ये बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा। अगर सुन लो जज्ब लेना हम तो ये फट जाएगा, ये बहती सी है नदियाँ का ये पानी रुक जाएगा। ये दम भी घुट जाएगा, ये कुदरत की आदत में जहर ये फंस जाएगा। प्लास्टिक के हम सब मोहताज हैं, जैसा कि समाज है।
Hello, I am a dustbin. सुन लो भैया, सुन लो भाभी, सुन लो अम्मा जी। कचरे वाले डिब्बे में कचरा डालो जी, इधर वालों की बात नहीं डालो जी। कचरे वाले डिब्बे में कचरा डालो जी। ग्रीन इंडिया environment. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Paper. Do not use poly bags. Poly cannot recycle. Paper can recycle.
देख 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 तू यहाँ वहाँ न फेंक, देख 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 तू यहाँ वहाँ न फेंक, देख फैलेगी बीमारी होगा सबका बुरा हाल।
तो क्या करें भैया?
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल। देख 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 तू यहाँ वहाँ न फेंक, देख फैलेगी बीमारी होगा सबका बुरा हाल।
अरे तो क्या करे भैया?
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल,
गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल, गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल।
My topic is noise pollution. Noise pollution is very dangerous problem that Earth is facing these days. Noise pollution is equally harmful
as other pollutions like air, water, and soil. Noise pollution refers to excessive noise in the environment like noise from vehicles, from aeroplanes, from railways, from loudspeakers, from generators. Thank you.
Ouch! It's hurting! Stop it! My ears, it's hurting! It's hurting me! Please stop! Hey friends, good to see you all! Please don't do that again. Like me, you must have felt the same around Lloyd noises. If so, you will probably experience the effects of Lloyd noises. Reduce noise pollution before it reduces the hearing capacity. Thank you.
The more you make noise, the faster you lose your voice. Noise can fill your ears and put you in tears.
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
हमसे निकलेगी स्वच्छता की एक नदी चल 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 कल 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 एक धुली सी जिंदगी स्वच्छता की जोत लेकर घर घर जाएंगे साफ सुथरी रोशनी में सब नहाएंगे
स्वच्छ भारत का इरादा कर लिया हमने देश से अपने ये वादा कर लिया हमने
हर गली अब उन्नति की राह जाएगी उपभाषा की आंगन आंगन गाएगी स्वप्न गांधी जी का अब साकार करना है स्वच्छता का देश में त्योहार करना है
Good morning, dear friends. As you can see this morning, how polluted the place is looking. And I'm wearing a mask for it. I'll just remove the mask and speak to you. As you all are aware, that there has been total countries which met in Scotland trying to speak about global warming and environment. There have been a lot of people who have spoken about it, and the countries are looking at how to save this universe, which is basically affecting the health of the people and is also affecting the global warming. There has to be industrialization and the growth so that there can be development for the people. But this development which is meant for people should not become a pain for the people. So they are talking about something like year 250, 230, 270. Well, there will be a lot of people who may not be there to see them. But is it coming to be true is a question mark. Because the reason is that you have to work fast and you have to work hard for it. There has to be a lot of investments in this, and the participation of the people, especially the younger generation. We are looking at, you must have seen that there are places and countries which they say due to global warming will be going down and will submerge into the sea. So how can we save them? Including parts of Bombay and parts of southern India. Then there are vehicle pollutions, which is about 30% in this country, and there are other pollutions, noise pollution, pollution from burning parali that is known, the crop after the crop is harvested. Then there are other various reasons that creates pollution. As a children, how can you save this world? How can you save this country? There are maybe parts of it is that we can stop using plastics, which is one of the...
I here, Prasad, got this opportunity to thank you all. I'm also thankful to you, respect Sister Martha, our headmistress, for supporting us and who always are inspiration. I'm grateful to you, dear parents, who gave their support to make this assembly successful.
And dear thanks to my class teacher, Mrs. Preetidhar, for helping us to present such a beautiful event, making us aware about types of pollution and its effects on us. Thank you, ma'am.
The earth is my home. I promise to keep it healthy and beautiful. I will love the land, the air, the water, and all living creatures.